And Shilpa, I'll tell you, I was there on the sets. Every day we shot almost 60, 70 days of action. So I was very keen. The first day we started, watching him perform action. So I was very keen to know how actually he does that so nicely. And, he'll always come on the set that, okay, tell me what you want to show me. So the whole JC Stunt team, they have practiced some full action like this punch, this punch, this punch. So he'll come, oh, no, I'll show you how to do. So in that small, those 2-3 punches, the trick he'll add it, like if he's, just hold for me. Hold for me.
Hold for you? Huh?
Yeah. So if he just, in Indian action movies like, Bishop, this way do it. He said, no, it's not like, he's like, Bishop.
Scary! Speed!
Because when I create the action sequence, I create a rhythm first. So we write it down, ba, 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 boom, ba, boom. When you turn out the sound effect, then you still see, ba, 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 bum, ba, 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 boom. If you just boom, 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 it's a bit boring and violent.
So your singing has helped your action.
Yeah, you fire like a dance. Yeah.
Well, I just love the fact that you have got this man. Can we please clap for Sonu Sood, one of the nicest human beings in my 15 years of radio career. I haven't met somebody as nice. And he keeps telling us about your niceness. You have a lot of lessons to teach India. And one is respecting women. We have a problem here. The women are doing too much yoga, but they're not doing enough kung fu. So you have to teach me a step for self-defense. Actually, both of us. I think we should learn one.
Teach us. We are your
So he's the gunda,
students.
he is the villain.
Yeah.
And he is cheroing us.
Yes.
I'm not
Sonu,
a
are you
villain.
ready?
I cannot be a villain.
Now, if the bad guy coming,
Yes.
you just,
Oh
then
my God.
look, boom.
Oh, so that's
Yeah, see, if I will, don't bleed, bro.
Oh, yeah. So you have to keep your hands ready.
So it's all about
As
the
hard
swing.
as you can, boom. Then turn, run. Yes, and that moment he cannot see it. When they come, boom, see, bang, they run.
Well, if it's you doing it, then yes. But Shilpa, it was wonderful having you here.
Thank you.
I think the whole combination of Kung Fu Yoga is complete with you. Can we please clap for the lady and the lovely lady for having joined us today?
Thank you
Shilpa,
so much.
thank you.
I really believe. Sorry, I don't want to take too much time. I was telling Sonu that this is purely happened because of Sonu. I really believe that in life, if you really think about something from your heart, it does manifest. I really believe that I became an actor, and I have really had my fan moment. I've never been starstruck by anyone but Jackie Chan, and I got to, fulfill this dream. Thank you. Thank you so much for making my dream come true, really. Thank you so much. And this comes with a lot of respect, really.
Lovely. Thank you, Shilpa, for adding that dazzling pearly smile. All right, just quick pictures, everybody, with Shilpa before she leaves. Yeah, without mic, absolutely. Give me. All right then, let's call on stage the man who's directed these two fine gentlemen, Mr. Stanley Tong! So you worked with him before here, firstly.
I love India. First time I was here in 1993. And then I go through the whole India. So then I remake The Myth in India 11 years ago. And, but I only shoot a very little part in Hampi. So this time I shoot more plays in Rajasthan.
Oh, did you like Rajasthan?
I love it very much. I love the architecture. I love the history. And that's why, when Jackie gave me Kung Fu, yoga, these 4 words, then I looked through all the history between China and India. Then I found out 1,400 years ago,
So much
the Tang Dynasty first sent an ambassador to India. And that's the story behind it. So I made use of the true story, and I came up with this action adventure.
That's fantastic. You have a bit of history there then. Jackie sir, do you do yoga at all?
Not yoga, but Chinese martial art also like a yoga.
Also like a
Yeah,
yoga.
I think yoga, when you're slow, is a yoga. When fast yoga is a martial art, is a kung fu.
Ah.
Yeah. Everything is same.
But there is a girl in this film which comes again from China, and she's beautiful, and she's going to be a part of the film as well. Should we call her on stage?
Yes.
Mia, I think you need to be right here. Gorgeous lady in white this evening, Mia. Mia, welcome to Mumbai, welcome to India. How was it working in India? You had Sonu Sood, what a handsome stuff there. Was it a good experience to be working with Indians? Yeah, you had good fun?
Yeah, I love you, India. So beautiful.
Thank you. Now, you're the girl in the yellow car. What is your role all about in Kung Fu Yoga? What is it like? What are you doing in the movie?
Jackie Chan assistant her in this movie Kung Fu Yoga.
So you had to do a bit of action as well?
Archaeologist, student,
So she
assistant.
You didn't have to do much. Did you have to fight?
She had to
Yes.
fight.
Yeah,
She did.
movie in here. Here.
Ah, okay. Thanks for explaining that. There are two more gorgeous ladies with you, and one of them is already a superhero because she romanced somebody she couldn't even see, and hence Amira Dastur is already a hero. Amira, can we have you on stage, please? Amira, we all have a story to tell as far as Jackie sir is concerned. What is yours? What is that moment of magic when you were watching him as a kid growing up?
Tagu, you know this. I told you this. I loved Rasha. I loved Rumble in the Bronx as well. I told you this. So for me to be able to do a film with both these men was an absolute dream come true and an adventure in itself.
Wow. All right, great. Then let's just call the last girl who has got from cricket to Kung Fu now, Disha Patani, please. My God, Jackie sir just breaks into a dance when he gets a moment there. All right, Disha, आप जरा बताइए कि सबसे memorable moment behind the scenes whilst doing the scenes, because you know people in your personal life who do fantastic action. What was it like to be with these two?
First of all, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for so much support, and we all are overwhelmed right now. My most special moment would be, we were shooting in Iceland, and we had to shoot under the waterfall. So it was anyway -5 degrees. Imagine you have to go inside the water. I was freezing because I live in Mumbai. I'm not used to of winters or cold. But I was shooting with the man, Jackie Chan, so I had to show that I'm very strong. But I was dying from inside. And these two men, they were like absolutely fine. Maybe they were...
I'm not fine. Everybody say for you, nobody take care of me. Everybody think I'm Jackie Chan, it's okay. Actually, I'm not okay. I'm not a superhero. I'm just a normal human being. But everybody think, he's fine. I was drunk. And everybody just live it up. Okay, I'm Jackie Chan.
So throughout the filming, I had to just impress him and make sure that, okay, I'm also strong, I'm your fan, I can also do action. And also there was one more scene inside the water. We were shooting inside the water. He was like a fish throughout, like first director I've seen in my life who's actually as active as the other artists. And he was just inside the water directing and saving me, and unfortunately...
That's why you make these movies, so you can have all the fun.
You know what? I'm here. Disha's here. He like this, push me away. Actually,
No, nobody saved him.
I was gone. And my screwdriver
I
like this.
drowned him.